Do you ever wonder why some people seem to get rich effortlessly while others work their entire lives and still struggle financially? What if I told you that the difference isn't luck, but a few key financial skills? While luck may bring a temporary windfall, sustainable wealth is built on mastering certain financial habits that consistently pay off. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 financial skills that matter more than luck. These are the skills that will help you navigate the unpredictable financial landscape and set you up for long-term success. Ready to break free from relying on chance and start building your wealth? Let's jump in. 1. Cash flow management budgeting. Let's kick things off with one of the most basic yet crucial skills, cash flow management. Many people overlook this skill, thinking it's too basic or unnecessary, but it's actually the foundation of all wealth. The key to financial freedom is simple. Make sure your income consistently exceeds your expenses. It's not just about tracking spending. It's about actively directing money toward your goals before it has a chance to slip away on impulsive buys. The habit. Use the pay yourself first method. This means automating your savings immediately when you get paid and living on the remainder. By automating your savings, you make sure you're prioritizing your future before you even have a chance to think about the latest gadget or restaurant outing. It's like paying your future self first, ensuring that you consistently move closer to your financial goals. Why does this work? It forces you to live within your means, and the habit of saving first makes it harder to justify impulsive spending. It also removes the emotional decision-making from saving, which can be challenging when there's always something new to buy. Over time, by practicing cash flow management, you'll notice your savings building, your debt reducing, and your financial situation becoming far more stable. But the key here is consistency. A lot of people try budgeting for a month or two, but they fall off track once the excitement fades. However, if you make cash flow management a habit, one that's automated and built into your routine, it'll become second nature. By tracking every dollar, setting realistic goals, and being disciplined, you'll be in full control of your money rather than letting it control you. 2. Risk assessment and management. Next up, risk assessment and management. Unlike luck, risk is something that we can control and mitigate. While you can't predict when a lucky break will come your way, you can take steps to protect your wealth from major setbacks. Professionals know that one bad event, like a medical emergency or a financial crisis, can wipe out years of progress if you're not prepared. The habit. Differentiate between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like borrowing to invest in assets that generate income, can help you build wealth. Bad debt, on the other hand, like credit card debt or high-interest loans, pulls you into a cycle of financial quicksand that is hard to escape. Why does this work? By understanding risk and actively working to mitigate it, you put yourself in a position to weather financial storms. Having a solid emergency fund, ideally 6 months of income, and using insurance as a safety net rather than an investment ensures that you're covered when unexpected events arise. This not only protects your wealth, but also gives you peace of mind, allowing you to make smarter, more strategic decisions without constantly worrying about the what-ifs. And here's the best part. When you manage your risks effectively, you can take calculated risks in other areas that might lead to higher returns, like investing in the stock market or real estate. It's about understanding the risks, weighing the pros and cons, and preparing for the unexpected. A solid risk management plan ensures that your financial journey stays on track, no matter what life throws at you. 3. Understanding compounding, long-term planning. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in finance, compounding. When people talk about getting lucky with an investment, what they're often referring to is the intersection of preparation and opportunity. But the real secret behind wealth is mastering the power of compounding. It's not about hitting it big with a single stock pick. It's about consistency over time. The habit. Invest regularly, no matter how small the amount. The secret is in the consistency of your contributions rather than the intensity. You don't need to gamble on a hot stock tip or try to time the market. Instead, you focus on investing in low-cost, diversified funds that grow steadily over time, regardless of market fluctuations. Why does this work? Compound interest works by earning interest on both your original investment and the interest it's already generated. When you start early, your money grows exponentially. The longer you let it sit, the more your investment can snowball into something significant. It's all about starting early, staying consistent, and trusting the process. Compound interest is truly a financial skill that rewards patience. If you start investing even a small amount today, you'll be amazed at how much it can grow by the time you're ready to retire. In fact, compounding is what allows wealth to grow even during market downturns. The more you contribute, the more your investments have time to recover and grow. It's not about big wins, it's about small wins repeated over time. The earlier you start, the more time you give your money to work for you. Consistency is key for critical thinking and professional skepticism. Let's now dive into critical thinking, a vital skill that helps you navigate the financial world without falling for get-rich-quick schemes. In an age where financial products, schemes, and investments are constantly marketed to us, the ability to analyze information and question its validity is crucial. Whether it's a too-good-to-be-true investment opportunity or a new financial trend, always ask what's in it for them. The habit: always ask why and consider the source before following any financial advice. It's important to understand the motivations behind the advice you're getting. Is the person offering it genuinely interested in helping you? Or are they just trying to sell you something? Why does this work? By practicing professional skepticism, you prevent yourself from being swayed by marketing hype or emotional appeals. This critical thinking allows you to focus on investments or financial products that genuinely align with your long-term goals. It also helps you identify scams or high-risk opportunities that may sound great on paper but ultimately offer no value. In the long run, this habit will help you stay grounded and avoid unnecessary losses caused by impulsive financial decisions. And don't just rely on one source of information. Cross-check, do your research, and always trust your gut. The ability to question, analyze, and critically evaluate financial information will help you make smarter, more informed decisions and protect your wealth. 5. Emotional intelligence, EQ. Finally, let's talk about emotional intelligence, one of the most important yet often overlooked financial skills. The ability to manage your emotions, especially during times of market volatility or financial setbacks, is crucial for long-term success. When markets go down or investments underperform, many people make panic-driven decisions that can hurt their wealth-building efforts. The habit: develop a calm temperament and stick to your predefined financial strategy, no matter how much fear or excitement the market stirs up. Why does this work? Emotional intelligence helps you manage the internal reactions that often lead to poor financial decisions. Instead of selling investments in a panic when a market dips or buying into a fear of missing out, FOMO, during a market peak, you'll be able to make decisions based on logic and strategy, not emotions. This allows you to stay focused on your long-term goals rather than being swayed by temporary fluctuations. By learning how to control your emotions, you can avoid costly mistakes like chasing the latest investment trend or reacting impulsively during market downturns. Financial markets are unpredictable, and the best way to succeed is by sticking to a well-thought-out strategy and ignoring the emotional noise. Emotional intelligence allows you to think clearly, make better decisions, and ultimately build wealth over time. There you go. These 5 financial skills are what separate those who build sustainable wealth from those who rely on luck. By mastering cash flow management, risk assessment, compounding, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, you can build a solid financial foundation that will help you navigate the complexities of the financial world. Remember, luck might give you a brief advantage, but consistent, repeatable systems and habits are what lead to long-term financial success. Focus on these skills, and you'll be on the right path to escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and building wealth that lasts. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from mastering these financial skills, and subscribe for more practical financial advice to help you on your journey to wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.